Good morning. You tuned in to our special show all about GST. 16 years in the making, India is finally set to roll out the Goods and Services Taxes, GST. From July 1st, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the new indirect tax at the stroke of the midnight in Parliament.
GST, GST, GST. I have been hearing this word in the TVs, newspapers and everywhere. What is this GST? Why is it the hot topic at present?
It's short for Goods and Service Tax. GST is one indirect tax for the whole nation, which will make India one unified common market.
Tax? What is it?
Tax is a sum of money demanded by a government for its support or for specific facilities or services, levied upon incomes, property, sales, etc.
So is this GST a new variety of tax?
Well, it is new, but all it has to do is to replace the old tax system. GST is a single tax on the supply of goods and services, right from the manufacturer to the consumer.
What big difference will this GST make now compared to the past?
Earlier, when a product was manufactured, the center would levy an excise duty on the manufacturer, and then the state will add a VAT tax when the item is sold to the next stage. Now, Goods and Services Tax will be levied at every point of sale. For example, assume that the entire manufacture process is happening in Rajasthan and the final point of sale is in Karnataka. Since Goods and Services Tax is levied at the point of consumption, so the state of Rajasthan will get revenue in the manufacturing and warehousing stages, but lose out on the revenue when the product moves out Rajasthan and reaches the end consumer in Karnataka. This means that Karnataka will earn that revenue on the final sale. Because it is a destination-based tax and this revenue will be collected at the final point of sale destination.
Welcome back to GST Countdown. Only few days left for the GST missile to launch. Let's know people's opinion about it.
Now we are at Mr. Patil's textile factory. Hello, sir. Do you think GST can benefit your business?
As far as I know, it can. GST will ensure that indirect tax rates and structures are common across the country, thereby increasing certainty and ease of doing business. A system of seamless tax credits throughout the value chain, and across boundaries of states, would ensure that there is minimal cascading of taxes.
Thank you, sir. That was very informative. Now we are on the streets of Mumbai. Let's know how people react to this new amendment.
The cost of most goods and services in the country today are laden with many hidden taxes. Under GST, there would be only one tax from the manufacturer to the consumer.
Thank you for the opinion. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Ellie, for latest updates. Keep watching News Now. The Lok Sabha has finally passed the Goods and Services Tax Bill, and it is expected to have a significant impact on every industry and every consumer.
Dad, look. It's the GST. It has made a lot of changes in the tax structure. While it levied 0% tax on food items, it increased the tax on a lot of luxury items.
Well then, life gets easier, I guess.